Hello, my name is Zhou Tian, and I'm the composer of Transcend. 150 years ago, the Transcontinental Railroad transcended different cultures to become a symbol of human perseverance. 150 years later, I'm so honored and thrilled that the Chicago Youth Symphony, along with 12 other American symphony orchestras, have joined forces together to commission and premiere this new work to celebrate that very human perseverance. Transcend is composed of 3 movements, in which the epic and intimate passages go hand in hand in evoking the darkness and lightness, as if going through tunnels on a fast train. The first movement, titled Pulse, starts with serene strings that reminds me of the expansive desert of Utah and Nevada. The music grows patiently and eventually bursts into this highly rhythmical and pulsing music. From time to time, you will hear violent poundings coming from the orchestra, as if you're witnessing the dynamite blasting through the tunnels. Second movement, Promise, is a meditative vocalise for those who sought for a better future. Here, lyrical woodwind solos and plush strings are met with traditional Chinese folk song-inspired melodies and misty harmonies. The last movement, Done, D-O-N-E, is quite literally based on the rhythm of the word done in Morse code. This is because that single word, done, was sent across the nation in telegraph in Morse code when the Transcontinental Railroad was completed in 1869. You will first hear the done rhythm and its motif from the trumpet solo, and throughout this finale, you will hear the done motif getting passed back and forth by almost every single musician of the orchestra until it hits the biggest climax of the piece. I'm so honored and that I have the privilege to work with 13 American orchestras, and for this piece I have traveled across the country for inspirations. I'm happy and thrilled that the Chicago Youth Symphony and Maestro Alan Tinkham is presenting the consortium premiere to you. Thank you so much and enjoy.